Top OFF your portfolio. It's time to capitalize on a brand that has all the ingredients to succeed. Topper's Pizza offers unmatched franchise support and is pushing our system toward success. Our story, the Topper's Pizza story, is not, in fact, a story about pizza. It's a story about culture. From the moment Scott Gittrich delivered his first pizza in 1984, he immediately knew it was the beginning of a lifelong love affair. Since founding Topper's Pizza in 1991, he's been hell-bent on leading the brand into the industry's top spot with technology, fresher ingredients and crave-worthy menu options. Investment. The Topper's Pizza franchise opportunity allows aspiring business owners to enter the booming pizza industry at an affordable cost. How much can you make? $1.18 million. Average unit sales volume of generated in a 1,400 to 1,600 square foot restaurant during 2022. How much it costs? $30,000. Franchise fee $450, $656, $825. Initial investment $200,000. Liquidity requirement. Veterans discount franchise fee for veterans. Available markets. Topper's Pizza is one of the fastest growing brands in the booming pizza industry, with plans to expand in key markets nationwide. Prime territories are still available across the country. Explore below to see what's available. Our franchisees, while discussing the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic that shut down many restaurants and left others scrambling to figure out food delivery, Denise suggested that Topper's proprietary point-of-sale system was the key to their success during that time. Being able to stand out against our competitors was huge, and having this technology and ability to pivot as fast as we did propelled us to align more with the larger pizza chains. Denise Downing, multi-unit franchisee in Emmanuel. Support. As a Topper's Pizza franchisee, you'll never be alone. Our corporate leadership team, which has over 200 years of experience in the pizza and franchising industries, is ready to assist you every step of the way. Our comprehensive training and support will help you with real estate site selection, construction management, marketing, operations, finance, technology. The financial performance set forth is for the 2022 fiscal year from January 3, 2022 to January 1, 2023. 2022 fiscal year, for all restaurants, both affiliate-owned and franchised, that were open as of January 1, 2023, and that had been open and operating for at least the full fiscal year. As of January 1, 2023, there were 73 Topper's Pizza restaurants open and operating, 69 of which operated during the entire 2022 fiscal year. Of those 69 restaurants, 42 were franchised and 27 were affiliate-owned. 4 of the 73 restaurants did not operate during the entire 2022 fiscal year, so those 4 restaurants were excluded from the results. Please refer to Item 19 of our 2023 Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD. For additional details, please refer to Item 7 of our 2023 Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD. For additional detailed information, please refer to our 2023 FDD. For additional information, Minnesota Franchise Registration Number, F4129. This information is not intended as an offer to sell or solicitation of an offer to buy a franchise. It is for informational purposes only. Offer is made only by prospectus. This information is not intended as an offer to sell, or the solicitation of an offer to buy a franchise. It is for informational purposes only. Currently, the following states regulate the offer and sale of franchises: California, Hawaii, Illinois, Indiana, Maryland, Michigan, Minnesota, New York, North Dakota, Oregon, Rhode Island, South Dakota, Virginia, Washington, and Wisconsin. If you are a resident of one of these states, we will not offer you a franchise unless and until we have complied with applicable pre-sale registration and disclosure requirements in your jurisdiction. Anyways, that was from 5 hours ago at my 277th job. So, How did Lee's become famous in the first place? Dig deeper and learn the story behind the recipe. Lee's Store 1966 America's first taste of fame. A. Lee Cummings and Harold Domer open Harold's Take-Home restaurant in Lima, Ohio, where Lee introduces his famous recipe chicken. 1967 Up-running Lee's opens new stores in Dayton and Cincinnati, Ohio and Kalamazoo, Michigan. 1972 The Great Taste grows. Company pilot and director of operations Jerry Sullivan helps open 55 new restaurants for the company and becomes the franchisee for store number 100 in Sanford, Florida. 1981 15 years going strong. Lee's famous recipe marks its 15th anniversary the same year Shoney's Incorporated in Nashville, Tennessee purchases the rights to the company. 1982 Famous recipes. First farmhouse. Lee's introduces its new farmhouse store design in Jacksonville, Florida. 1991 Quarter century of chicken. Lee's celebrates its 25th anniversary with Lee Cummings as its national spokesman. The 2000s expanded menu offerings. The Lee's brand stays strong through several ownership changes, introduces spicy jumbo dippers, and strategically focuses on breast strips and new sides to enhance our customers' experience. The 2010s focused on franchising. Lee's re-engineers itself to better support its licensing and franchising efforts across the U.S. and internationally. New stores are opened or built in Florida, Indiana, Kentucky, and Canada. The brand continues to see sales growth outpacing the industry. 2016 50 years of famous flavor. Lee's celebrates 50 years of being famous for chicken. 2021 The future is famous. The Lee's famous recipe brand is purchased by affiliates of Artemis Lane Partners with plans to reinvest in the brand to support a new phase of growth. Lee's sets its highest sales year on record with over $200 million in system-wide sales. 2023 New branding restaurant prototype. Lee's introduces a new visual identity for the brand and announces a new restaurant prototype, working with a new roster of marketing partners. This elevated and modernized branding will help drive even more growth as Lee's continues to set sales records. Anyways, enough. I'm going to episode 278 at Lee's famous recipe chicken. Welcome to Lee's famous recipe chicken. How may I help you?
How dare you be rude to my family and my son's girlfriend? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 47 septvigintillion 489 sexvigintillion 387 quinvigintillion 843 quartervigintillion 782 trevigintillion 934 duovigintillion 839 unvigintillion 201 vigintillion 38 novemdecillion 902 octodecillion 983 septendecillion 926 decillion 938 quindecillion 902 quatuordecillion 938 tridecillion 920 duodecillion 938 decillion 758 decillion 493 nonion 201 octillion 928 septillion 378 sextillion 392 quintillion 837 quadrillion 483 trillion 938 billion 493 million 280,021 years. Beating up time.
And now, for the finishing blow.